Today working on Rocker, part of the diptych, an experiment on painting like the old masters and choosing warm colors for the girl. This painting of our dog is part 2 of the diptych, Koos and Rocker. With pigment and impasto I paint in the classical style, with a modern twist. It's an experiment and I'm very curious about the outcome. I'm following in Rembrandt's footsteps and experimenting with the knowledge and skills I have. The noise you hear in the background comes from the Bakenesser Tower. The tower is covered in scaffolding and is currently being sandblasted. The past layers were cool colors, blue and white. Now I paint warm layers. First the yellow and choose today the red colors. The painting must dry before the next layers can be applied. See you next week.